Welcome back. Looking good for the markets now. 150 points higher in the Nifty. It's a dramatic pickup that we've seen. There have been two instances that the markets have, seen buying. One was around 11 o'clock. Then around 12:30, we saw some amount of profit booking, the rally fizzling out. But again, in the last 1 hour, things have picked up. We're at the high point of the day. The Sensex has surged close to about 530 points. It's a good time then to tell you what dealing rooms is saying, what the buzz is. Let's welcome Nimesh on D Street Chatter. Nimesh?
Hi, Rima. So, a surprising second half move in the Indian markets. And actually, that's been a bit surprise as well because no one was expecting this kind of an up move and it's been there. So, that's the kind of volatility which is there in the Indian markets and that is likely to continue this week. That's the overall feedback. Still, the Nifty is, swinging between 16,900 and 17,100. That seems to be the range in today's trade. Unlike yesterday, what I understand is the flows are slightly muted from the large institutions. So today's up move is not backed by very large FI or DI buying or selling, so to speak. So it's been a muted day. I guess a lot of global macro events are something to watch out for as far as the global events are concerned, and that's only going to add to the volatility. However, there are a lot of earnings to react to in Indian markets, so that's going to be a center stage. We have a few large IT companies reporting numbers on Saturday. HDFC Bank and Avenue Supermart will report. So it's going to be a busy earnings week, so that's going to have an impact on many individual stocks. But today, for a change, the volumes are on the lower side from the larger institutions, so not big participation. And it looks like because of the global events, we're going to see a lot of volatility for the next couple of days.
Nimesh, thanks for that. That's an overall check. In terms of specific stocks, though, that's always an interesting list. What are you picking up?
Hi, Prashant. So the first stock on my list today is Zee Entertainment. A lot of chatter across dealing rooms, and it looks like everybody seems to know what's going to come in Zee very soon. So there is a lot of anticipation of a large block deal coming soon in Zee Entertainment. Of course, everybody is speculating to the fact that the leading FI who has a residual stake now is likely to sell out. So that's been a big buzz on Zee Entertainment. So that's the first one. The second stock is Power Grid. The PSU power stocks are back in focus of late. And today Power Grid is buzzing largely on back of very strong buy flows from some large FI desks. So there is a bit of buying back in the PSU power stocks, and Power Grid is buzzing on that. So that's the second one. The third stock is Zomato. Again, the stock has been consolidating in this range between 65 and 70, and now there is a strong buzz of a large block deal in Zomato as well. Again, a strategic investor is a potential seller in Zomato. That's a big buzz as far as Zomato is concerned. And the last stock is City Union Bank. All the small private banks are buzzing in trade today, whether it's IDFC Twins, City Union, Federal Bank, all are buzzing, and City Union Bank is buzzing purely on buy flows at leading FI. So the volumes are going to be quite high in City Union Bank today.
Okay, thanks a lot, Nimesh, for that. So that's on City Union Bank.